Hi. I have some data in an Excel sheet here. But as you can see, there are some empty rows in between. I want to remove these unnecessary empty rows from this Excel sheet. Let's see how to do that. First, select all this data. Then, press the Ctrl and G key on the keyboard. Select the Special button. Select the Blanks option. And click OK. Now you can see that the empty rows have been highlighted in gray color. Now, press the Ctrl and minus keys on the keyboard. Select the Entire Row option. And click OK. And there you go. All the empty rows have been deleted from the Excel sheet. And the data is now neatly organized. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.